You can pick up, we're okay. Bit of a little cabin update actually. I think you've seen all that. We've done all that. We've done all that. Have you seen this? Oh, get a bit of a focus. I think you've seen that, haven't you? So the beading, we've got some more beading to do. I'm making a bench, but we've come up for a bit of a break. We're going to have a nice small rump steak cooked on the skillet. Oh yeah. Bench is in. I don't know if you've seen that. That's nearly completed. Yeah, we're not far off. I've sealed and chalked all around the window. We're not going to have shelving. Shelving seems to be a bit of a hive for the earwigs. So they keep dropping on your head. So I'll be sealing all that and then putting beading around that, which we've got some of that. Here we go. Here's some of the beading here. That'll be done the weekend. Yeah, so we're not far off actually. There's a lot more room in here. That needs cleaning a bit. I did a patch up there. You just about to see that. And then when the solar panel came in, the wires. There you go. I did a bit of a square and glued him. And then pinned him. And then we got that little bit to do there. And now we're not far off. And then when winter comes, we should be it's pretty warm in here as it is. It's been warm out anyway. So yeah, we're going to be having the cupboard, the log burner. Going to get a couple of decent chairs, either reclinables or whatever. And that's it really. And the bench. That's all that's going to be in here. Because underneath the bench will be loads of storage, as you can see. And some bobs. So let's get this steak on, because Jane's done some spuds. These are beautiful little new potatoes in there, and some courgettes. So we'll take the courgettes out, and I'll take the courgettes out and I'll fry them when I get the skillet going. Okay, bear with me. No tripod. Ooh, that's a good sound. It's better. A little bit of oil. Get that smoking. Right. Look at that. Beautiful. I don't care how many times you cook steak, it's cool. We'll better turn that down a bit. It's sticking a bit. It's raining. There we go. Beautiful. Jane's going to get some blackberries. Oh yeah, okay. For dessert. I'll turn that down. Turn that even more. Okay, let's flip them over. Just make sure this thicken a bit. Ooh. Alright. Okay. Ooh, that looks tender as well. Look at that. Well-handled, sorry folks, a little bit. Right. That's great. There you go. I'm going to do a bit of a shout out, which is a bit I wouldn't say premature. Two young lads who subscribed to my channel when we were away. So Ben and Sam, I think it was. Ben and Sam? Pretty sure. I'll double check that anyway. But a shout out to you two. Thanks very much for subscribing and saying hello. Look at that. That has to be a taste test, that one. You know, I'm going to put a bit of garlic salt on that. Would you believe it, I just ran out, so just ordinary salt on that. Shouldn't be far off now. I'm going to turn them over, and then I'm going to turn them off and a little bit of salt, and then let them rest for a bit. And I'll dish it up. Oh, come on. The skillet will stay warm for a while. Just give these a bit quick blast. Oh, I got my tripod. Sorry, guys. I wasn't going to do any filming tonight. I was just bringing some bits of wood up to make a bench, which I'm in the process of doing a video on, so that'll be coming up soon. I rescued an old pallet. Yep. Courgette out the garden. That's a massive one, that was. And look at that in there. Quick sneak. Hey, good beer. Right, I'm going to take those steaks off because I don't need them. Well, just a fraction of them. Put the plate on top of the pan, keep the plate warm, feel the heat coming through, take the steaks off. There we go. Spread them out. Oh, they're going a bit bitty, but it doesn't matter, does it? Sorry, camera, sorry. Okay, so let them just cook off. So these are the pallets I rescued. You'll see it all come together. I'm not going to show you anymore, just teaser. Big pallet as well, it's bloody massive. Okay, it's getting warm in here. Whew. Got the kind of a bit of rain in a bit. It's coming over. Gonna give Jane a shout. It's getting a bit mushy, cooked them too long really. Anyway, we won't film any more of that bit because I'm looking really gross. Got two little peppercorn butters to go on top of the steak. So when it's finished and dished, I'll show you. So that's not bad. No, what I'm going to say? No veg is better than no. What is it? Some veg is better than no veg. So that doesn't look too bad. We've got a sauce to go on it. I'll just show you. This is not the sauce. This is me cleaning the skillet. So I just put a little bit of water on it and it just comes right off. Look, beautiful. Give it a bit of a scrape. Give it a bit of a scrape. Switch it off. Leave it. Then wipe it. And then put a bit of oil on and just cook the oil on afterwards.
Ooh. Bit of a lump there. Lovely. Nothing like a bit of juice.
You like your gravy, don't you?
Couldn't find any beans in the garden, so.
They've not done it. Anyway, there you go.
It's in my blackberries.
Very slight. No, where's your cabin? Where's your cabin? Where's your blackberries? So skillets, I'll chuck that and clean. I'll show you how to clean that in a minute.
I'll get some more.
Yep, that's only what, 10 minutes, wasn't it? If that.
5 minutes.
Okay. Right, we'll munch on this and get back to you in a bit. Quick taste test. This is going to go on my lap, innit? I think I cooked the steak a bit long. Well done. Not like well done, like really rare or mooing. Anyway.
So good.
Yep. Still good. Try a bit of courgette. Not yet. Enjoy your steak. Courgette.
Those potatoes are really creamy, aren't they?
These, I'm not too sure what they are. But when I get home, I'll put
They're not from the garden yet.
No, I'll put a link in the description where we got these from, and they're £1 for a pack, and they're really nice. Really creamy. Thanks very much for watching. I'll just show you the skillet when I've finished. But like and subscribe would be fantastic. Up and coming videos over there. Subscribe button over there. Take care. See you in the next one. Okay, so just give it a swirl with some water. We don't want to see this. I'm just going to show you how we clean up here. We don't clean like that. Right, get a cloth. Okay, because I burnt it slightly. What I've done is put 1 drop of washing up liquid in there, a little bit of water, just bringing it now, just to get it warm, and then give it a quick scour. That'll get it beautiful. And that's all we need. One tiny drop. We're not going to put any heat on yet. That's it. All around. Right. I'll go this in. That's it. Wait till it starts to smoke a bit. If you can see, so there's the thing there is just like starting to dry, and that's what you want, just to get it, just a dull sheen on it. See, it's starting to smoke. That's what we want. You'll start seeing it go to a matte, and then just turn it off and leave it. we got a fire alarm in here, haven't we? Yeah, and we got the other one you need, which is carbon dioxide. So it's going to go off in a minute. We've got the door open. Woohoo! Lucky enough. Right, that's it. Thank you very much again for watching. If you did, I'll turn this off now. Let that cool down. Do not touch it, because it will hurt. And we'll catch you in the next vid. Bye! Forgot.
Chateau.
Chateau nifty pup. It's not. Done it? Can you hear that? Oh, nice. Right. Cheers once again. Bye.